For this DIY, you're going to need some type of canister or container for your base. You can absolutely use one of the Dollar Tree cardboard tubes if you want to keep it budget friendly, or you can check out Goodwill or thrift stores to get that unique canister. To begin this project, I'm going to sand down both the base and the lid to give everything a smooth surface. Then I'm priming it with a white paint. You can either use acrylic paint or spray paint, whichever you prefer or have on hand. Once everything is primed and completely dry, I'm going back in with an off-white acrylic paint and lightly sponging it on. And then I'm applying this to both the lid and the base. Next, I'm taking a decorative napkin and separating the layers until it's just one ply. Then I'm applying a coat of Mod Podge onto the container and carefully wrapping the napkin around it, smoothing it down as I go. Once everything is sealed in place and dry, I'm adding another coat of Mod Podge over the top to protect it and give it a finished look. Now I'm working on the lid. I'm applying a coat of Mod Podge over the top of the lid, then placing the tissue paper over the knob and gently smoothing it down. Once everything is nice and smooth, I'm adding another layer of Mod Podge over the top to seal it all in, and then I set it aside to dry. Once the Mod Podge is completely dry, I go back in and lightly sand off the excess around the edges of the container and the lid to clean everything up. Then, while working on the lid, I use a razor knife to carefully trim away the excess tissue paper around the bottom, and it gives it a more finished look. For my next step, I am taking a little watered down brown paint and lightly applying it around the edges of the bottom of the container, the bottom of the lid, and the top of the knob. This helps to add depth, dimension, and a slightly aged look. For this final step, I'm going in with even a lighter amount of that watered down brown paint and using a dry sponge to gently dab it all around the canister. This really helps to blend everything together and gives it that soft, finished, aged look. And that's it. We finished our Magnolia inspired canister dupe. I love how this turned out with that soft, aged, high-end look, all made on a budget. If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you would like for me to create next. Thank you.